Alright, what up guys? I know it's been a while since I've done a video, but today we have the cyma um, AK-47 TAC version basically. Um, this gun isn't actually mine, it's a buddy's, but still gonna do a review on it. He's just got it here for a while, and so yeah, so here we go. This is the box. You got your 600 high cap mag, your manual, standard wall charger. These are for the mag. Put them in there and you can just wind it up like that. This isn't the foregrip it comes with. This is what I gave my buddy because I actually got the foregrip that it comes with on my M4. I traded him for another AK mag. So yeah. Anyway, so here's the gun. It's pretty big. So here it is. It's got a extremely well-made gearbox inside. I believe it. High power, steel gears, all that crap on the inside. Really, really high quality stuff in here. You see, you got the textured pistol grip. Sling mounts, collapsible stock. Let me show you that here. Oh, it's spring loaded the stock, so goes back on its own. That's pretty fun. You've got the, I guess you call it ribbed handguard here. You got a rail on the bottom, rail on the side, rail on the top, and rail on the other side. You have this barrel which is threaded. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up. There you go. It's threaded. I don't know if that's actually for something, but pretty heavy gun. All the weight from the gun is actually up here in the front. It's extremely heavy up here. I don't know why. You got adjustable your sights. Don't know if you can adjust the front sights, but let's do a click. Standard AK sights, There you go. That's what she looks like. Very modern looking AK-47. Looks pretty dope, if you ask me. Let's see if I can get the iron sights. It doesn't look like it's going to focus on that, but anyway, you get the gist of it. So you got safe, full, semi. The battery's in the gun. Came with a stick type, basically this battery, stick type, 8.4 volt. That's pretty much it. Exterior wise, I mean, this is metal up here. Trigger's metal, trigger guard's metal, this is metal, that's metal. This is metal, front sight's metal, unjamming rod's metal. This might be metal actually, that might be where all the weight's coming from. I think that is metal. It is quite a hefty gun, not gonna lie. And I think this one shot around 410 when it was chronographed. My buddy got this from Airsoft Megastore actually. So my sister's boyfriend actually picked this up. And then he realized that this gun was just too big and unnecessary, so he went out and bought a multi-mission carbine from Lancer Tactical, and he just sold this to my friend, so I dropped it off here and my buddy's gonna pick it up. But yeah, that's that's about it for this gun. Yeah.